Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp status not uploading. The main reason that this problem persists is because of poor internet. All you need to do is first try to check if it is really your internet. Simply go ahead and switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi in order to verify that. If that is the case, simply go ahead and turn on your airplane mode on and turn it off just to give it that quick refresh. If you have any VPNs turned on, make sure that is also turned off. And in order to reset your network settings, simply open your settings, head into General, scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset and Reset Network Settings. This should go ahead and fix the problem, but it could also be because of your cache or your storage space issue. So in order to clear cache on iOS, all you need to do is open your App Store, click on your profile, click on Personalized Recommendations, and click on Clear App Usage Data. If you have any other storage issues, you can just open your settings, head into General, iPhone Storage, and this is where all your unnecessary applications can be uninstalled from. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.